So if you're running a driving school in Kenya, you know just how, well, dry theory classes can be, right? Well, meet Gonasi. Think of it as an interactive step engine that just completely flips the script. We're talking about ditching that old school rote memorization for a real learning by doing system. First up, let's talk about the student experience. Instead of just, passively reading, your students get to jump into an interaction loop. They're actually doing things like matching pairs or using these great image memorization blocks, which are absolutely perfect for learning road signs. But here's the best part. The feedback is instant. They make a choice, see the result right away, and can adjust their thinking on the fly. It's all about building that confidence. Second, let's look at it from your side, the school owner. This is all about control and collaboration. You get full creative control over the curriculum. You decide how deep you want to go on any topic. It's all up to you. Plus, you can invite other instructors to help build lessons, so curriculum management becomes a real team effort. And finally, the business kicker. This platform basically turns your theory training into a traceable revenue product. You can monetize access with private email invites and use the dashboard to track everything. Scores, progress, you name it. So that student obligation, it suddenly becomes a valuable business asset. So, to put it simply, Gonasi provides the engine, but you decide the journey, turning standard lessons into your own customized, interactive product. It's time to stop just teaching theory and start building a modern, profitable learning experience for your students.